Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making strawberry cheesecake egg rolls. Alright, we have our egg roll wrapping paper, our cream cheese, our strawberry cream cheese spread, our strawberries. I'm going to give those a good chop. I am going to use 2 packs of the cream cheese and add about 2 scoops of the strawberry cream cheese spread. I am going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 cup of regular sugar, 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Gave it a half of mix, and then I realized I needed some more powdered sugar, so I did add another 1/4 cup of that powdered sugar. I did use 1/2 tablespoon of the vanilla extract, and then I added in those chopped strawberries and gave it a really good mix. For the wrapping paper, some people like to use water. I prefer to use the egg yolk scrambled and coat the edges of the wrapping paper. And then after I did that, I just added in the filling. I am going to take the bottom, fold that to the top, and then take the left side, fold it in, take the right side, fold it in, and then just roll it, and it's going to look like a little envelope at the end. Once I folded all of the wraps, I did place it in the freezer for about 35 minutes before frying. I did use a deep fryer when cooking the rolls, and I preheated my oil to about 300 to 305 degrees and cooked the egg rolls for about 4 minutes. Is the finished product. I believe this came out very well. This is a nice, quick, and easy sweet treat that you can make for a party, or just, if you want something sweet for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you can always be aware when I am uploading another video. Bye.